Good day everyone. So welcome to Opseka lang. So for today's video, we will have a tutorial for Windows Server R2 installation in VirtualBox machine. So in here, we will type the name of the operating system which is Windows Server 2012 R2, and then we will choose the 64-bit. And then next, and then next, and then we have here 50 gig. Next, create, finish, and then we will start we will go to storage and then choose the disk image or virtual hard disk, and we will choose the ISO file in the browser. We will browse the file wherever we put the ISO file folder, and then we start the VirtualBox machine. We have to wait for some minutes, one or 2 minutes, to start our VirtualBox. So we have to maximize the screen for us to have a full view of our VirtualBox. So the machine is starting. So we have to click next. Naka-default lang. And then default yung English, and then install now. And then we have to choose the second version, which is standard with GUI or graphical user interface. Standard and GUI. And then we click next. And then I agree for the software agreement, and then custom, and then here we have to partition the 50 gig. You have to go to new, and then server is 70/30, so we will compute for 70% of 50 gig. So 70% of 60 gig, 50 gig. So naka-ano niya, naka-MB. So 50 gig is equals to 50,000 MB. So we have here 35,000 MB. And then we apply. Okay, so for the system reserved, that's why meron na siyang dalawang choices. So the 30%, which is unallocated, we click new and then apply. And then all of this we will format for clean installation so that the files will be removed. We partition or we reformat for us to one of the reason we reformat is for us to delete some viruses. So we can, if we want to not to delete the files, we have just to not clean installation, but and then we have to choose the biggest amount of gig, and so that the operating system will be saved in the more bigger capacity, that is our local C. So the Windows files are copying now and getting ready for installation. We have just to wait for some minutes. Okay, so finish na. finishing up. So when it is restarting, we have to detach our USB here if it is in not in VirtualBox. Or so the computer is now restarting. Opening to Windows. So it is very easy to partition and to reinstall operating system. So you just have to follow the step by step para biglang sumakses. All right. Getting devices ready. So in this situation, we should not turn off our computers when we are installing or reformatting. If we are using laptop, we have to plug it in the outlet for safety, because if ever while installing it will be turned off, the 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 hard disk will be destroyed and be corrupted. Okay, so now we will just have to wait. You can have your coffee while waiting. Okay, so we have here our settings. Automatically, our name is administrator because this is a Windows Server 2012 R2. And then we have to create a password with small letter, big letters, with special character numbers. So here our password is CSS 11 at 123. And then same, retype lang the password. CSS 12 at 123. CSS 12 pala at 123. So re-enter lang your password. Be sure that it is the same. And then you will click and then finalizing your settings. So sa pag-install, kailangan lang medyo mahaba ang iyong pasensya dahil sa mga ganitong mga wait, finalizing your settings. Wow, ang tagal talaga niya. So, yung pagiging matagal is nakadepende sa ating RAM at saka sa ating hard disk. Okay, nandito na tayo. Na-autofocus. So, we have to click here the begin install. And then, so, yung gagamitin natin, dahil ito ay VirtualBox machine, dito tayo sa input, keyboard, and Control Alt Delete. So ang ating password is CSS na big letter 12 at 123. And then so, I hope that you will, oh, very good. Meron na tayo ditong recycle bin at saka yung ating server manager. So, for network, yes, yung piliin natin because in the future, we will connect it to other computer. So, ito na ang ating server manager. So, nandito lang to sa ibaba sa ating taskbar. And then, dahil nandito na yung ating recycle bin, and our server manager dashboard, so meaning we have successfully installed our Windows Server 2012 R2. So nandito lang siya sa baba yung ating pwede nating i-minimize, i-maximize. So itong adding rules is for our next video na po ito, for adding rules sa ating servering, configuring a server. So, next topic na po natin yan. So, congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows Server 2012 R2. So, we have just to, kung titingnan natin, the same like a, totoo talaga siyang computer. So, atin lang siyang ipa-power off. Yung ating VirtualBox. So that's it. So I hope that you will try to install your Windows Server 2012 R2. So dinilit lang dito, remove and delete all files para hindi siya makakain ng malaking capacity sa hard disk.